My name is Mike, and I acquired a piece of property by leveraging a buyback program and skipping the tax auction. I scored this 5-acre abandoned homestead complete with a neglected camp, a barn full of history, a former chicken coop, and a pond. The catch is, it's a total wreck, but it's a dream I've had since I was a kid. The rebuild starts now, and I hope you'll join me. Welcome to Mad River Outdoors. Thanks for joining us on another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We got to take 9 cinder blocks from this old garden and put them over here on this old chimney. So my understanding is that tree stump right there came down, took down this chimney. No time like the present, so let's get started. I forgot my gas weed eater, so I got to deal with this damn thing. Wish me luck. So as you can see, I was able to get the blocks cleaned off. I had to take off some more blocks on the second layer down because they were loose. Now I got to start getting the blocks that I pulled out from the garden area. So here's the blocks that I got to get out. You can clearly see that there's a lot of dirt and debris in the middle of them. So I got to spend some time cleaning it out and cleaning them up so that I can figure out what bricks I need to put back over there. I'll be the first to say that I have zero experience when it comes to working with cinder blocks and mortar mix, but the plan here is get this block wall built up and secure with good sound cinder blocks and mortar mix, and then simply add a wooden deck on top of it that gives us the ability to walk out from the interior of the house through the sliding glass door above it and actually let this become a functional space. It's day 2, and today we're going to try to get all the Tyvek and house wrap taken off of the front so we can get the painter to come up and complete the task. Our block foundation, it's coming along. Looks like it's drying okay. It's not the greatest job in the world, but we'll take it. We're making pretty good progress. I'm pretty happy overall. That's what it looks like with the paint dried on that. Got to go through and caulk the top though. thank you again for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to go eat some teriyaki garlic marinated pork loin with some potato salad. I'll see you on the next episode.